Okay, so some of the newest features for the mobile app include what we're seeing here, our slideshow, for example. We brought the slideshow back, but we also have this new feed feature available. It kind of scrolls through the social media accounts of the actual site. So I'm connected to the Viking School District, and it's showing like the Twitter or the tweets that are sent out from the IS Cyberschool tech support profile. We saw chats earlier, as well as Facebook. So any social media accounts that you have connected, they'll display in this homepage widget option here. These are actually changeable in the edit theme portion. So you have a couple more options available. For example, the stacked icon layout, which is what we saw on the app I'm on right now. The icons per page also. Some people requested that they are able to change how many icons appear on one page. So I think up to 16 is the new limit. As well as an icon label background. So if you want to provide some highlighted color to your icon labels, you can do that just by clicking this option here and then choosing which color you want from this icon label background color. A couple other things is the slideshow settings. So if you want slideshows enabled, you'll just check this off and then choose which gallery you want to show inside the slideshow. And background styles and homepage, that's where you configure that homepage live feed widget. I'll just disable that. I don't want that enabled. Whether or not that home and those settings buttons are showing, so I can select that and click save. And we see home and settings on the bottom now. So I can go ahead and remove that as well. I think it's just better without it. And whether or not we want our homepage icons hidden or not. I'm not exactly sure why this isn't a thing that exists, but that option is available if you want to hide those. We also have a homepage settings floating button, which just means we're going to get a button on the homepage, whether that's right side or top, that when clicked will direct us to the settings page. So if you do have tons and tons of pages, if I just keep scrolling here, eventually I'll get to the settings. But if you have a bunch of settings or a bunch of pages, that button will immediately take you to these settings. Okay, we also have the side navigation option, which is just configuring the side navigation that appears. And with that, we also have the navigation floating button option, which is just like with the settings, it's a button that when clicked will just open the side navigation. So rather than having an icon, we just have a button that's just on the mobile app now. Okay, so that's just about everything new. Oh, actually, there's one more thing. Upon saving your icons, now you'll be prompted, or if you have multiple apps, now you'll be prompted to save to all apps or this site only. The all apps will actually take everything in this list here and place it on all of your school apps as well. That just keeps things consistent across all of your apps. I'm going to choose this site only, and this is how I want things.